It won't show up. That's weird. That's creepy.
It bounces like a candy bar bounce?
Wow.
Isn't that weird?
That's cool. Can you get it on your picture?
Like, that's what it's doing.
Can you take that though?
That's what I'm taking video of.
Oh, you can see that?
Uh-huh.
That's cool, dude.
But why is it doing that?
I don't know. Jeremy, dude, come here. Check this out.
Oh, it went away.
What?
Cool.
Whoa! It's like an alien.
No, but it can't read it. That's sad.
Save.
Keep me in the lap of luxury. That's it? That's a prayer?
Which one? Number 9. Number 9?
Number 9.
Why are you doing that though? I want to see what the words say.
Sweet.
I
am here.
I am with you. I am getting wet.